Sir,
Yes, beta.
sir, Adarshita is not attend the classes.
She did not attend.
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, because she gone somewhere.
Very good. Who else will not attend? What about Ananya? Any update about Ananya?
सर उसकी मदर का मैसेज आया था
What?
कि उसकी तबीयत खराब है।
Okay, and what about Akshay? Akshay Naseem?
सर वो शायद आए।
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, I can't see your board.
Why? Is it visible? Arnesh, is it visible, beta?
यस सर।
Is the board visible?
यस सर, बोर्ड इज विजिबल।
Abhi, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Smriti, there must be some your network issue. Do one thing, just leave and join again.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so class 10, tell me first of all. Now we are over with arrays. The chapter is complete. Okay? Chapter about arrays is complete, and in arrays we have done how to search and how to sort. We have done a searching technique as well as we have done a sorting technique. Okay, we have done various programs also in which multiple arrays are being taken and values are being correspondingly sorted out. Class 10, is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and we have done one more program in which we have to display the highest and the lowest values from the array, which is being achieved by sorting. So with this, our array is totally complete. We have done output questions also, we have done programming also. So that means this part is complete. Now this was your half yearly syllabus, beta. Yes, Smriti.
Sir, नहीं दिख रहा.
नहीं दिख रहा?
No, sir.
Am I visible to you?
No, sir.
Do one thing, just click on my name. जहाँ पे मेरा नाम है उसको क्लिक करो.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. मैंने किया सर, बट सर यहाँ पे पूरा व्हाइट दिख रहा है, कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा है.
Now click it there. What it is showing you?
Sir, nothing.
So Smriti, there must be some network issue from your side, beta. Your camera is on. Smriti, is your camera on, beta?
सेलेक्ट कर दिया, वापस रिजॉइन हो गई.
I know. Okay. So till here your half yearly syllabus is complete. Okay? You'll get chapter 1 revision from class 9th and then other theoretical chapters which are there in your syllabus and this chapter arrays. So now we are left with basic 3 chapters. 3 chapters. One is string, another is method, and third is constructor. So now we are left with these 3 chapters, and these 3 chapters will complete after your half yearlies. But today I'll start with strings. Okay, we'll do a little bit part of strings because that will help you in array also. Because we have combination of output programs and output questions based on string also. So today we'll start with some of the functions of strings, and that will help you a lot. Okay. So you can put today's date, and we'll start with the chapter string handling. This is chapter number 7 of your syllabus. String handling. Okay. So just take out your notebook, put today's date, chapter number 7, string handling. Now is it visible? Class 10, is it visible, beta?
यस सर।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Asim,
यस सर।
why you are late?
सर वो सर खाना खा रहा था, वो थोड़ा
Very
टाइम
good.
लग गया।
Very good. You get 15-minute break now, beta. Even I eat in that 15-minute only. Okay. So today we are going to start new chapter. Asim, name is string.
Yes, sir.
This is chapter number 7 of your syllabus. Just take out your notebook and note it down. Okay. So first of all, let me tell you, beta. If you remember, we have studied about data types in class 9, even in class 10th also, while revision. Data types are of 2 types. One is primitive another is non-primitive. Can anybody tell me the difference between both of them?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Avi.
Sir, primitive data types are the data types which are not created by user and they are already present in the Java.
Very good.
For example, int, double, float. And
Okay.
sir, non-primitive data types are the data types which are created by the user and their size depends on the requirement of the user. For example, arrays.
Okay. So now let me tell you, beta, string is a non-primitive data type. Okay? Because its size, it has no size. String is endless. String can be a single character also. It can be a group of text also. Okay? So it is a non-primitive data type. So it don't have any size. And string itself is a class of Java. String अपने Java में एक class है, खुद ब खुद एक class है. See, this is the reason why all the data types like int, double, float, long, short, byte, boolean, char, all are started with the small alphabet. If you must have noticed, if you write int, small int. If you write double, small double. So all the primitive data types, they start with small alphabet. But only string is there which is written with capital S. This is the concept of wrapper class. Okay? In the chapter 5 of class 9, I've told you to take out those notes and study it. Okay? So it was told over there. So this is a wrapper class. These classes already hold many functions within them. इनके अंदर अपने खुद के बहुत सारे functions हैं. And those functions are used for doing different kind of tasks. So let's start with the function of string today. I'll tell you some of the functions today and then we'll continue tomorrow. So very first function of string is it visible what I have written?
Yes, sir.
What I have written, tell me.
The length and then brackets.
Okay. Asim, Akshay, Avnesh, is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You need to speak also, beta. Only Avi is not there in class. आप लोग भी कुछ बोलो. So the first function is length. And see, beta, like we have studied in array, every array variable has a square bracket, opened and closed square bracket, which differentiate from the normal variable. हम normal variable और array variable में difference कैसे निकालते हैं? By seeing that square bracket. Square bracket is present in which kind of variable? Akshay. Akshay. Akshay.
Yes, sir.
Square bracket are present in which kind of variable? Normal or array variable?
Sir, please repeat.
Square brackets are written with which kind of variable? Normal variable or array variable?
Sir, normal.
Normal. Asim,
Yes, sir.
square brackets are applied to normal variable or array variable?
Sir, array.
Array. Akshay is saying normal. Akshay?
No, sir, याद आ गया. Sorry, sir. Sorry,
याद आ
sir.
गया.
Sorry.
Okay. Similarly, when we write any function, our function is written within these brackets. जो भी हमारा function होता है वो हमेशा इन brackets के साथ लिखा जाता है. These brackets, these round brackets specify that particular thing is a function. If you go into your programming, थोड़ा सा अपनी programming की steps में आओ. If you remember the line public static void main. All of you remember this line, public static void main.
Yes, sir.
After public static void main, we use brackets in which we write string args. याद आ रहा है? String args. So that means public static void main is a function. Similarly, थोड़ा सा और नीचे आओ. Scanner sc equals to new scanner. Then what we write in bracket? Asim, what we write in bracket? Asim,
Yes, sir.
scanner sc equals to new scanner. Then what we write in brackets?
String.
Huh?
String args. ARG.
I'm
Sir,
asking what scanner sc equals to new scanner. Yes, Smriti, what we write?
sir, system dot in.
System.in, very good. So this line is also a function क्योंकि इसके आगे round bracket लगते हैं. Let me tell you more. System.out.println. After this line also we are putting function brackets. So this is also a function. So these lines are basically function of scanner class. ठीक है, ये सब scanner class के function है. Similarly, अब ये जो है length, this is a function of string class. So note down this function and write its use. Just put a dash and write. I am dictating. Just write everyone. It is used. Am I clear and audible to everyone, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for the first function length, just write it is used. It is used to count. It is used to count number of characters in a string. It is used to count number of characters in a string. Written?
Yes, sir.
It is used to count number of characters in a string. Full stop. It counts spaces also. It counts spaces also. Written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, Arnesh, tell me the meaning of this statement.
So
Arnesh,
which,
tell me. हाँ, this complete statement जो लिखा तुमने अभी.
so which one?
अभी mute your mic. Yes, Arnesh.
Sir, length.
Yes, yes, yes. What we have written in length.
So it is used to count number of characters in string. It counts
हाँ.
spaces also.
मतलब what does that mean? Suppose if I write, suppose this is an example, and my string is India. So what will be the length? Just tell me according to the definition, what will be the length?
So number of characters, and if there are spaces in between, then the spaces will also be counted.
There are no spaces. ठीक है, only this India is written.
So then 5.
5. Okay. Now see class 10 beta. I have taken a variable s which is of type string and which is having data as India. Always remember strings are written in double quotes. ठीक है? Strings are always written in double quotes. Now what this function will do, length, this will count the length of this string. So as I have told you, it will count the number of characters. So how many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it will count and give the result as 5. But how it will be applied? ये हम apply कैसे करेंगे? ये हम apply कैसे करेंगे? ठीक है? देखो कैसे apply होगा? ये आपकी string है. This is your string in which value is stored s. So it will be applied on s. S with dot. String में जो भी function apply होंगे, that will be applied by using this dot. तो s dot length. This is how you can apply a string function. जिस string को apply करना है वो लिखेंगे, then we'll put a dot and then the function which you are going to apply. And now this will give a value. जब आप इस function को apply करोगे, this will give a value. Right now Arnesh has told that its length will come as 5. So where this value will be stored? ये जो 5 आएगा, ये कहाँ पे store होगा? So for that we have to take another variable. Suppose I have taken L. And what kind of value it is giving? It is giving 5. That is an integer value. So this will be of
Yes.
int.
Int.
ठीक है? So when we are writing any function, just मतलब make it a habit. अभी मैं जितने function लिखाऊंगा सब में एक habit बना लेना. First of all, you need to write description of the function, कि what it is doing. Then you need to write an example, कि how that is working. And then the main thing you need to write return type. Now, what is the meaning of this word return type? But whenever we are applying any function in programming, it produce some output. वो कोई ना कोई output निकाल के देता है. like when we have applied length, it is giving output as 5. ये हमको output क्या दे रहा है? 5. So the output which comes out from a function is called as return value. Is called as return value. RETURN. यानी कि उसने मुझे वापस क्या दिया? It is called as return value. And return type means what type of value will be produced as output. Is it clear, class 10?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what type of value will be returned as output? So in this function we can see now L will give output as 5 and it is an integer type value. So return type for this function will be int. Because in board exams also question have come कि tell the return type of कोई function दे दिया. So you should know what will be the return type of a function. So just you have written the description, note down its return type, then note down this example. This is one of the example we have done. Note it down.
Yes, sir.
Smriti beta, still it is not visible.
No, sir.
क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रही है स्मृति? अच्छा
सर पता नहीं सर, मैंने बहुत देर से ट्राई कर रही हूँ सर, बार बार सर वाइट स्क्रीन आ रही है.
अच्छा, इट वाज विजिबल इन अनदर क्लास, प्रीवियस क्लास मतलब?
नो सर.
There is some issue beta, I guess. अच्छा, do one thing, log in from any another phone. You have any other device at your home? Your
Yes, sir.
grandfather's phone or your mother's phone, just try to log in from that device.
Okay, sir.
Just forward this link to that phone and try to log in from that device. Okay, done. Class 10 done this much.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you done? Akshay, Agnesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have noted the name of function. You have written about its description, which I have dictated. You have noted the return type, and then you have noted a example. Is it clear? Okay. Now just answer me another example. Now this is for you. You all need to answer me. Now can you read this line? I love cars 1-2. Can you read this line?
Yes,
Now
sir.
tell me what will be the length.
13.
I need answer from everyone. Arnesh has told 13, okay. What about others?
Sir, 13.
Okay. Akshay Avi,
14.
13. So everybody's answer is 13.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. This is correct answer, beta. See, 1, then space is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So it will read all the characters which are present in the string. Okay. So now we'll do next function, beta. Now next function is char add. Now next function is char add, and here an integer value is given in bracket. Write down the name. Smriti, is it visible now, beta?
Yes, sir.
There was some fault with your phone, I was telling. Okay. So now second function is char add.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? Okay. Now see beta, the functions of string are मतलब little bit word friendly. अगर आप थोड़ा सा इनके words को पढ़ोगे, you will try to figure it out कि क्या है. Now char add. It is saying character at some position. किसी पोजीशन पे कौन सा कैरेक्टर है. So I'll show you example. Just see. For example, our string is aeroplane. Suppose my string is aeroplane, and I'll apply the function s dot. Abhi nobody will note it down. Just listen to me. Char at, and I write 4. Now please come back to the concepts of array. I told you length वहां पे क्या काम करती थी, array के अंदर कितनी values है उसको काउंट करती थी. Asim, please mute your mic. What was length doing? It was counting the number of elements in array. Similarly, length in a string is also counting number of characters in array. But other than length, all the functions when they are applied on array on string, it will start from the position, from the index. Index, if you remember, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. याद आया
Yes,
कुछ?
sir.
Class 10. ठीक है? This we were doing in array also. Now this we will do in string also. All the indexes will start from 0. And now when I am writing s dot char at 4, so that means string s पे 4th position पे कौन सा character है, that will be produced as output. समझे मेरी बात को? Is it clear? So what
Yes.
will be produced? P. And P is character type. So return type will be char. Now write about this
Yes.
function. Write about this function. This function is used, or you can do one thing. आप यहाँ पे और इसको clear लिख लो. यहाँ पे लिख लो int index. This will give you more clear idea कि हाँ यहाँ पे मुझे index number डालना है. Now writing this function, it is used to return. Now when I'm speaking return, so return means the output which is being produced. ठीक है? The output which is being produced. तो इतनी बड़ी लाइन लिखने का सिंगल वर्ड है रिटर्न, which we are using in Java programming. तो अब इस टर्म को थोड़ा सा अपने दिमाग में बसा लो कि whenever I say return, that means the output which is being produced. So just write what we have written in this function. It returns the character present as given at given index. It returns the character present at given index. It returns the character present at given index. Written बेटा?
Yes, sir.
The character present at given index. Full
Yes,
stop.
sir.
Now you can note down the return type also. Return type is char. स्मृति तुमको समझ में आया? Is it clear बेटा?
सर थोड़ा थोड़ा.
ये वाला फंक्शन समझ में आया? इसमें क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग?
नो सर.
क्या नहीं समझ में आया बताओ? तो पूछ क्यों नहीं रही हो? क्या नहीं समझ में आया इसमें बताओ?
सर आखिर इसमें करना क्या है, मतलब
करना क्या है? We have to find out character at certain position. कोई पोजीशन में मुझे कौन सा कैरेक्टर चाहिए होगा, ये मुझे फाइंड करना है. जब हम लोग प्रोग्रामिंग करेंगे, we'll get some kind of problems. हमारे सामने कुछ इश्यूज आएंगे, वहां पे हमको ये सब फंक्शंस अप्लाई करने होंगे. ठीक है? Which will produce result accordingly. So ये एक फंक्शन है, इसका क्या काम है? Understand this. Name is char at. Input is int index. ये अपने अंदर एक इनपुट लेता है इंडेक्स नंबर का. See, this is how I have applied. Suppose I have a string जो कि s है and it has value aeroplane. उसके अंदर एक string stave है aeroplane. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी हम लोग कर रहे थे प्रोग्राम्स में, enter your name. तो नेम में क्या स्टोर होता था? The name which you are typing on keyboard. So that is also a string. So similarly, suppose I have stored aeroplane in the variable s, and now I want to see what is the characters stored at 4th position. 4th position में कौन सा character है? So I've simply made the index number. This we have done in arrays also, that index number always start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and not 4th position. What is the character? That is P. So P will be produced as output.
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
And always the value which is coming out, this is called as return. ये मैं फिर बता रहा हूँ, you were going on and off. So now I will use the term return. जो भी output आएगा उसके लिए मैं इस word को use करूँगा return. So always understand return means the output produced. So the output produced, your output return from this function will be P, and it will be stored in a variable, another variable. देखो, I have to create another variable for that. हम लोग basic programming में भी करते हैं ना, whenever we are calculating something or we are adding something, we create a third variable जिसमें हम store कर सकते हैं the output. Similarly, I have created another variable which is storing the output. This is C, and because it is storing a character type value, that is why it is having return type as char. So just remember the process how you are going to apply. जो भी string है आपकी, just apply a dot sign after that and then apply the function. This is how we apply functions in string. The variable of string dot the function which are you going to apply. All the functions will be applied with this dot sign only. So if you miss the dot sign, it will be an error. Now is it clear, Smriti?
Yes, sir.
What about others? Is this function clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Have you noted it down?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you? Okay. So now I'll tell you the third function. Now, third function is just opposite of this second function. Name of third function is index of Now see how we write the name. Index I small and O capital without any space. Index of. And in bracket we'll write char. Yani ki we'll give we'll give certain character and in output we'll get the position of that character. वो character हमारी string में कहाँ पे stored है, we'll get that position.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, O is capital.
O is capital. And without any space. Acha, in previous function also beta, char at A was capital, CHAR small, then A was capital, and then T was small. See beta, these are the rules of identifier which you have studied in class 9. First of all, we don't leave any space in between. If there is a longer name, कोई बड़ा नाम है तो उसमें हम space नहीं देते हैं. We don't give spaces. We combine the word together and then make the second for the second word the starting alphabet should be capital. So that will help you in reading. Readability आ जाती है उससे. ठीक है? That is why it is made capital. Now you can easily read it as index of. अगर मैं इसको small कर देता तो maybe you must have read in a flow. So for if nobody gets confused for this, that is why this second first alphabet of second word is created capital. Similarly, if we have more word, अगर और word होते इसमें बड़ा नाम होता, तो rest of the can also have first alphabet as capital. This will enhance the readability. ये हमारा पढ़ने का तरीका बढ़ा देता है. So name of third function is index of and value which is stored is char. Now let me tell you. Suppose again I am having this string aeroplane. So let me apply s dot index of. Suppose I have written L. See, it is a character, that is why I have written in single quotes. These are the mistakes which most of the students do. So you have to note it down this because it is a character, that is why we have written in single quotes. So s dot index of L. So now what it will give? It will give the index of L, that is 5. Very good. So because it is an integer value, so it will be stored in
Integer.
int form. ठीक है, तो आउटपुट विल बी 5. So return type will be int. Now note it down about this function. It is used to return the index of given character. It is used to return the index of given character. Have you all written?
Yes, sir.
सबने लिख लिया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Return type लिख लिया?
Yes, sir.
Example लिख लिया? Have you written example also?
Only.
Written?
Yes, sir.
All of you have written?
No, sir, 1 minute.
Just write it.
Sir, done.
Okay. Now all of you just look at another question, another example. अब suppose if I give s dot index of e. Now tell me what will be the answer?
Sir, 8.
8.
8.
Okay. Who else? सबका आंसर 8 है?
Yes, sir.
सबका आंसर 8 है?
Yes, sir.
Nobody with different
Yes,
answer?
sir. No, sir.
So this is wrong. Is this E visible to you?
Ooh.
Yes, sir.
So why all of you are answering 8?
सर यहाँ पे सर 2 ई थे तो सर इसलिए सर 8
yes. This is what I want to tell you. Now when we have a similar character twice or more than 2 times in a string, जो character हमको जिसका index निकालना है, if that is occurring 2 or more times in a string, then what it happens, this function always go for the first occurrence. ये हमेशा first occurrence check करेगा. That means the output will be 1. अगर सपोज ये e इस स्ट्रिंग में 10 बार और होता, ठीक है, if suppose it would be there for 10 more times, then also the answer will be 1. So this function always check the first occurrence. ठीक है, तो you can note it down in the description also, या put right in a bracket only, it checks first occurrence. ठीक है, it checks first occurrence. Have you understood what I'm trying to say, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If we have
Yes, sir.
multiple occurrences of a character, then this function will always check the first occurrence. वो उसके आगे जाएगा ही नहीं. It won't go beyond E. एक बार उसने E पढ़ लिया, he has found the first E, the compiler has found the first E, it will display its position. So output will be 1. So you can note down this another example also. ठीक है? If you have any
Yes, sir.
doubt, you can note down this another example also. 2 occurrences were there, so that is why it will display E. Acha. Now, can you tell me if I write A, so what will be the output?
Sir, 0.
0.
0.
0, yes, sir.
Is anybody with different answer?
No, sir.
This is wrong.
Sir, 6.
Because at zero position it is capital A. It is not small a.
Yes, sir. 6.
फिर बेटा I'm again saying just follow the basics. Capital A means 65 SKI value. Small a means 97 SKI value. So how can they both be same? If I'm searching for small a, it will search for small a, na? That it will get at 6th position. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
बेटा स्ट्रिंग्स में बहुत ध्यान देना है. This is the topic which you will study till class 12. And with the similar functions only. कुछ नया नहीं पढ़ना होगा स्ट्रिंग्स में. If you have studied strings in class 10, it is for class 11th also, it is for class 12th also. आपको इसको फिर से पढ़ना ही नहीं पड़ेगा. And you'll get one program in practical also, one program in theory also. 20 marks of this will come in 12th also, 11th also, and even in 10th also. One program will come. And in other programs it will come as combination. Mix होके आता है सब में ये. So have you noted down this function?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, the fourth function. Last index of. Last index of. Now what this will do? This will solve the problem which you are facing in this string. Suppose I have a string banana. How many A are there? 1, 2 and 3.
3.
So 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I say S dot last index of. Now, can you tell me what will be the output?
Sir, 5.
5.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Now it will see the last occurrence. सबसे last occurrence कहाँ पे आ रही है? ठीक है? The last occurrence of the word. अच्छा, suppose if any word is only single times in a string. For example, suppose if I would have searched this B, then what would be the output?
The 0.
0.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है?
0.
So don't get confused in this. कि B तो यार एक ही टाइम आया. So how we can find the last occurrence? No. So this will be its last occurrence. भाइयों वही first occurrence will be its last occurrence. तो वो output will be 0. Similarly, A is there. The output will be 5. अच्छा. Now can you tell me? Suppose if I type anything which is not in the string. Suppose I type Z. What will be the output?
Sir, error.
Error. Okay. What about others?
The null.
Null. Okay. Now better let me tell you, whenever we get error in a string, ठीक है, जब भी हमको error मिलेगी like this kind of error, it will produce output as -1 in this function and the previous function. ठीक है, it will produce output as -1 because this character is not in the string. If it would be there in the string, तो characters हमारे 0 से लेकर के positive values में आते हैं. That is why it gives the negative value which displays कि हाँ this character is not present in the string. -1 is produced in the previous function also, that is index of, and in caret also. Caret में भी suppose if I type any kind of position which is not in the string में मेरे 10 character है and I have written position as 20, then also -1. ठीक है? So you can note it down that these functions, while in case of error, they will display -1. Acha. First of all, you need to write description of this function. This you will write by your own. Now you have understood now what is this function doing?
Yes, sir.
It is displaying the last occurrence. Just note down last occurrence and rest of the thing you know, note it down quickly. Note it down quickly and tell me.
So noted.
Okay. Just put a star and note down this thing also. In case of error, these functions will display -1. Done all of you?
Yes, sir.
Is anybody still doing?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So today we have done how many functions, beta?
Four.
Class then.
4.
Quick rewind. How many functions we have done today?
Four.
4.
4. Okay. Ernest, tell me the first function.
So length.
Length. What it was doing?
So it was used to find the length of the characters and spaces.
Length of the character.
Sorry, sir.
So what it
String,
was
length
doing?
of the string.
Length of the string. That means what it was counting?
The characters and the spaces present in the string.
Very good. Avi, second function. What was the second function we were doing?
The caret.
Caret. What it was doing?
Sir, it was used to return the character which is present at the position which we input.
Very good. Okay. Asim, what was the third function we have done?
Index of.
What it was doing?
It is used to return the index of given character.
Given character. Very good. Smriti, what was the first function we have done? Smriti? She has left, I guess. She joined. Smriti? Smriti, beta, quickly. Smriti? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me the fourth function which we have done.
The last index.
What it was doing?
Sir, it looks the last value.
It finds the last occurrence of a character, beta.
Yes, sir. Last
It
occurrence
finds
of the
last
character.
occurrence of a given character which we give as input. So today we have done 4 questions, beta. In tomorrow's class we will do some output question related to these 4 functions. Okay? Then we'll move to another function. We have approx 17 to 18 functions in this string. So tomorrow we'll do some examples first of all, and then we'll move to next function.
Excuse
Okay.
me, sir.
Yes, beta. V.
Sir, is space a character? Sir, for example, if we use a function index of char and we input a single space, so what will it
If that
produce?
space is there in the string, so it will produce its position, its index.
Yes, sir.
Okay? That we'll do in next class. We'll do different kind of output questions in which all these functions will be merged together. Okay? And then I'll explain you how
Yes.
they'll find the values. We'll go inside out. That I'll tell you tomorrow. Okay? In the next class. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So today
Yes,
we'll
sir.
end the session, beta. Goodbye for today. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye. Bye bye, beta.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.